Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So already in the last class I explained three types of equations of a straight line. So in the today's class I will explain slope intercept form. There are two cases, one is y-intercept, another one is x-intercept. Before moving to this derivation, see first what is intercept. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. Suppose if you draw the line like this, the line cuts the x-axis at this distance. This distance where it cuts the x-axis is called x-intercept, and where it cuts the y-axis is called y-intercept. So now coming to this slope intercept form, that means one slope and one intercept is given. So the equation is what? One slope and one intercept is given. Intercept is already you are familiar, where the line cuts either x-axis or y-axis. First I will explain case 1. Here it cuts the y-axis. Here, suppose a line L with slope M cuts the y-axis at a distance C. This distance is C from the origin. The distance C is called the distance C. That means where the line cuts the y-axis from origin to that distance. The distance C is called y-intercept. The distance C is called y-intercept. Y-intercept of the line L. Now see the point where the line cuts the y-axis, that distance is C and it is on y-axis. Then can you tell me what are the coordinates of this point? This point I am taking as A. The coordinates are 0, C. Why? It is on y-axis. On y-axis x value is 0 and this distance is C. Obviously, the coordinates of the point where the line cuts the y-axis, that is A, 0, C. Now what you got? Now you got this, the line L is, therefore the line L is passing through the point 0, C and having the slope M. Therefore, the line L is passing through the point A, 0, C and with slope M. Understood? With slope M. Already we are familiar with the equation. Therefore, by which point formula? By point slope formula. By point slope formula, the required equation of the line is by point, you know, one point and one slope. Therefore, by point slope formula, the required equation of the line is y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. This is x naught, y naught. Y minus c is equal to m into x minus 0. Y minus c is equal to mx, or y is equal to mx plus c. This is the equation of the line. This is the equation of the line with the slope M and y-intercept C. C. Here y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. So the point we are taking as this point 0 comma C we are taking as x naught y naught. So y minus C is equal to m in the bracket x minus 0. Remove the bracket mx. Take minus C on that side. So this is about case 1. In case 2 we don't have any derivation. Just I will give the formula. Equation of this line L with slope n and x-intercept d. Giving you the formula case 2. Equation of the line L equation of the line L with the slope m and x-intercept d is y is equal to m in the bracket x minus d. Y is equal to m in the bracket x minus d. So this is the equation of the line with the slope m and x-intercept is d. And y is equal to mx plus c is what? Equation of the line with the slope m and y-intercept c. Now I am giving you an example related with this formula. See the example. Write the equation of the lines for which the tan theta is equal to 1 by 2. Tan theta is given means indirectly slope is given because you are familiar. M is equal to tan theta. Already you are familiar. Tan theta is equal to 1 by 2 where theta is the inclination of the lines. And first question, y-intercept is minus 3 by 2. Second one, x-intercept is 4. See, first I am writing here. Slope m is equal to tan theta is equal to 1 by 2 and y-intercept c is equal to minus 3 by 2. Therefore, the required equation of the line is y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to m is 1 by 2 x plus c is minus 3 by 2. That is x by 2 minus 3 by 2 plus into minus. Take the LCM. Y is equal to x minus 3 divided by 2. Cross multiply. 2y is equal to x minus 3 or if you want you can keep as this or x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is first one. Now moving to the second one. The slope is same because it is common for both. The slope is given as tan theta is 1 by 2 and x-intercept is 4. Yes. Write down the solution. Second one. Here the slope is same. Slope m is equal to tan theta is equal to 1 by 2 and x-intercept d is equal to 4. The x-intercept is 4. Therefore, the required equation of the line is y is equal to m in the bracket x minus d. Y is equal to m in the bracket x minus d. y is equal to 1 by 2 x minus 4. Cross multiply. 2y is equal to x minus 4 or x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the line with the slope and the x-intercept. Now I am moving to the next derivation, that is intercept form of a straight line. Before moving to intercept form of a straight line, see first what are the intercepts and how you are marking that. That is very important. Before moving to intercept derivation, just I will explain intercepts. Intercept form. See here this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, and if you draw the line like this we are taking as the A, this I am taking as the B. Where the line L cuts the x-axis, this distance we are calling as the x-intercept, and this I am taking as the y-intercept, where the line cuts the y-axis. Either you can refer this one depending on the values, and suppose if the line cuts like this, this is A, this is B, this is x-intercept and this is y-intercept. And remember, generally x-intercept is denoted by A, y-intercept is denoted by B. OA is the x-intercept, that is OA is equal to A, this distance. OB is the y-intercept, OB is equal to B. And here this is minus A. Negative sign tells you it is on left side, but the distance is positive only. This is x minus A and this is B. Suppose if the line cuts like this, the negative sign tells you where it comes. So this is O, this is A, this is B. This is the line L. This is x-intercept, this is y-intercept. Here both are negative. This is minus A, minus B. That sign tells you where it comes. Understood? And next, where the line cuts, this is A, this is B. O. Remember, always the x-intercept is denoted by small a, y-intercept is denoted by small b. But here below it is minus. This is how the intercepts. Now I am giving you the derivation of intercept form of a straight line. So first I will use, always we are deriving the formula in the first quadrant, because in the first quadrant all values are positive. We will get the standard formula, that's why. Intercept. First draw the figure on the side. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is the line L. It cuts the x-axis at A and y-axis at B. This distance I am taking as the A. And this distance I am taking as the B. This is the origin. This is x dash, this is y dash. Suppose line L cuts the x-axis at A and y-axis at B. See, x-axis at A, point A is on x-axis and B is on y-axis. Therefore, the coordinates of A are A, 0 and B are 0, B. So these are the coordinates of the points A and B. Now what you are observing? The line L is passing through the point A and B. Therefore, the line L passing through passing through 2 points A, capital A comma 0 and B 0 comma B. See, it is passing through 2 points means then by 2-point formula. By 2-point formula. 2-point formula is what? Y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. For your convenient, take that points, the given points as x1, y1. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Write down that values in the formula. So y minus y1, this is y1. Y minus 0 upon x minus x1, x minus a is equal to y2 minus y1, b minus 0 upon 0 minus a. So it is y upon x minus a is equal to b upon minus a, cross multiply. Minus ya is equal to b into x minus a, or minus ya is equal to bx minus ab. Now the term, make all the term positive. That means this minus ab on this side, it is bx plus ay, or for our convenient bx plus ay is equal to ab. Divide each term by ab. That is bx upon ab plus ay upon ab is equal to ab upon ab. X upon a. Here b get cancels, here a get cancels. Plus y upon b, both ab get cancels, is equal to 1. So x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. See the derivation carefully. Therefore, thus the equation of the intercept form of a straight line with x-intercept a and y-intercept b is, right on the last line. Thus, the intercept form of the straight line with x-intercept a and y-intercept b is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. Understood? Now I am moving to the example. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line which makes intercepts -3 and 2 on the axis. That means with respect to x and y axis. On the x axis and y axis respectively. Yes. What is given then? Solution. Given x-intercept a is equal to -3 y-intercept b is equal to 2. Therefore, equation of the line is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. That is x upon minus 3 plus y upon 2 is equal to 1. Or you can write it as minus x upon 3 minus x upon 3 plus y upon 2 is equal to 1. Take the LCM. LCM is 6. Minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Or minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Rearrange this. Taking all the terms on the right side. 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Understood? Is it simple or what? Now I am moving to the next derivation, that is a normal form.